Solving equations with variables on both sides. To solve an equation with variables on both sides, we need to collect all the variable terms on one side. And for that, we will use inverse operations so that we can isolate the variable on one side. So by inverse operation, it means if there's a plus sign, you'll have to do subtract so that the plus sign term cancels out. If it's a times, then you'll have to divide to isolate the variable. If something is times to the variables. But even before that, you have to isolate them, one of the variables x or y, on one side. And the operations that we do, the opposite operations, those are called inverse operations. So let us see an example how to do it. So you have an equation, negative 2x equal to 3x plus 10. So to get all the x together on one side, we're going to subtract the 3x so that the inverse operation cancels the 3x. That will give you negative 5x equal to 10. And then you divide both sides by negative 5, which will give you x equal to negative 2. Right? Let's see another one with the fraction in the front. So you have 1/2 parentheses 6y minus 4 is equal to negative 5y. It should be y plus 1. 6y minus 4 equal to negative 5. Let's fix that to y plus 1. So you're going to times by 2 both sides to cancel out the fraction, right? Then make it the problem a little easier. Use distributive property on the right hand side. Now the strategy is to isolate the variable on one side. So that will give you negative 16y plus 2. And then you subtract 2 from both sides. Negative 6 equal to negative 16y. And you divide both sides by negative 16. And that will give you 3/8 equal to y. Okay? Alright, so we just now did 2 examples of solving equation with variables on both sides.